Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk and today we're unboxing the brand new Fitbit Versa. So what we're going to do is unbox it and set it up today, and then also we're going to have comparisons against the Apple Watch as well. Live your best life with Fitbit Versa, a health and fitness smartwatch that lasts 4+ days and features 24/7 heart rate, phone-free music, apps and coaching and so much more. So I do like that tagline there, and this can provide so much. So looking at the front here, we do have the charcoal woven band. Also it does include other bands as this is the special edition, as you can see from here. Also includes a graphite aluminium casing as well. We turn to the side here, it's just saying about your connectability here, so you can use PC or Mac and charging as well. Moving around to the back, this is where we're going to see all our features, and there are a lot. So I will go in depth more in my review, but I just want to read out what's here on the back. So it automatically tracks activity, exercise and sleep, which is great. Something the Apple Watch doesn't do is sleep. You get on-screen coaching, continuous heart rate sensor 24/7, 15+ exercise modes that it knows on the watch, coaching and GPS, so it can track your run or your bike run. Stores and plays 300 songs, so it does have built-in storage. Wallet-free technology built in, as it does have NFC, and any bank that is capable of using NFC payments, you can do that if you so wish to. You'll get call, text, calendar and app alerts through the watch. So interchangeable bands, obviously sold separately, so you can change the bands, but we do get an extra one with this special edition. So you get 4+ days of battery life, so it's going to last forever and you don't need to recharge it. So it's water resistant to 50 meters, so you can go for a swim with this, and I'll definitely be testing that out. So just under here it says it's durable, lightweight design. So reach your goals with personalized guidance, so it will give you guidance, and that's just down here at the bottom. And then it's just saying here music, payments and apps all on your wrist. So just down the side here we've got a little couple of symbols just pointing out a few things. So we've got music, heart rates, notification, payments and swimming. So let's turn this around and let's get into the unboxing. So the back here is a tiny little tab that you just need to pull. Let's take that off, turn it around. So take this out, so you have an outer shell. So you do have a Fitbit logo on there. So you can download the application on Android and iOS. So open it up here. So inside you'll find Fitbit Versa, and then there's just images here of people actually using their watches, doing different activities. And if we turn it around here, it's just about what's included, how to remove your straps and the charging dock as well, and all about your application that you will need to download. So you have your new Fitbit Versa sat here at the top, which will go into greater detail. Wow, it's very lightweight, which is very nice to feel there, and that is with that new woven band. So in here we're going to find all our connections and our cables that we need. So here is your other straps. So if you want to change your straps there, it's nice that you have included different straps here. And underneath you have your cradle that it sits into with a USB socket, so you can connect into PC, Mac, laptop, or just a plug if you have one. So this is the cradle it will sit in, with a nice long cable actually. Then finally underneath you'll find your manual and your book with all information on here. If you do have any questions or queries, please drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. So let's move all this out of the way and get into the setup process. So I've just removed the packaging around the actual charging dock here. So what I'm going to do is connect this up. Let's have a look at the new smartwatch here. Just pull off that wrapping that's on there very tight. I've accidentally turned it on. Got a very nice bright display. It's very light as well. Very, very light. So on the one side you do have one button here. Then on the other side you do also have 2 buttons. The display looks nice, bright and vibrant here, and it's saying to download the application. And here you can see our woven band. So just in the iOS App Store here, I'm just downloading the Fitbit application. Just search for this either in the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. So if you're already a member of Fitbit here, log in. If not, you can sign up for a free account. So I'm going to log in here, so it won't be a second, and I'll come back. So once you're all logged in here, if you tap the little icon up here at the top, it says set up new device. So we can set up new device here, and we're going to choose Versa. So it says get in style with Versa. So we're going to get set up. So you just have some tips here. Just say it's going to take 30 minutes to complete setup. Your battery is at 50% or over. If not, put in the cradle, which is over 50%, and you have a reliable Wi-Fi source here. So we're going to hit next. So on the back of the watch here, you can see the connection pins and also your heart rate sensors built in there. So align these up with the pins on here. So it has found the Fitbit here. So it's asking for the pin that you can see on the Fitbit here. So you see a little green tick there, that means it's all done. So on my iPad here, it's just asking if I want to pair, which we can, which is absolutely fine. So Versa Wi-Fi setup here, so we're going to hit next. So then it's going to give me a list of networks, and then we're going to choose our network. Success. So next. So start update. So while it's just doing an update here, it's saying check out some of the features it can do. So it can track your activity. So track your activity, how many steps you walk, what distance you walk, how many calories you burn, how many minutes you've been active, your heart rate as well, and also how well you sleep. So you can wear your watch your way, so you can change the display to you, which I think is good. To get notifications at a glance, to get notifications, so we're going to enable notifications here, so we can get call, text and calendar events as well. And also you can have app notifications as well, and that is when you download different applications. So optimize your workouts. As connected GPS, see stats like pace and distance during runs and rides with a map of your route post workouts. So exercise modes, use exercise modes to see real-time stats on the display. You got Smart Track, automatically records runs, walks and other workouts. Swimming, you've got track duration, laps and distance of your swims, which I think is great. Music on the go and phone free. So you can listen to your music phone free. So you do have the option of Deezer. Remember, that is a subscription based music service, or you can have personal songs and you can put up to 300 songs on your device. So what I'm going to do is let that download the rest of that, and I'll come back when done. So as you can see here, the Versa is all set up and ready to go. So we can hit continue here. So I'm taking it out of the dock here. I'm going to put it on my wrist and we're going to fasten this up here. This side is for shortcuts. So payments, got it. It's got music controls. I have music controls here. Quick settings. Notifications are on. Screen wake, we're going to go on to auto. Notifications are on. So a nice big time there, 11:54. It's got home there. So notifications, no notifications. Swipe along, you can see our music here and our activities. You got your more applications inside here as well. And if you tap the clock face, you're going to get settings here. You can see that are changing. Got an alarm you can set there as well. So on here, we're going to hit next. So it's just asking us about location. I'm just going to say while we're using the application and okay. Then it's just showing you here how to remove the bands. So follow the quick tips, which we've done. Swipe up for stats. So you're going to swipe up for stats here. This is where all your stats are going to be. So swipe down for notifications. This is where your notifications will be. So you can press this button here, like I said, for shortcuts. So here's your shortcuts. Press again to go back home. So swipe left for applications. So here are all our applications inside here, and you have settings. You can go through and change these if you so wish to. Wear and care tips. Clean your band and wrist regularly with a soap-free cleanser. If Versa gets wet, remove and dry completely after your activity. So take your watch off from time to time as well. All done and all set to go. So done. So moving the wrist up detects the movement, which is great. Here I like the stats coming along at the bottom as well. You can swipe up and see all your stats. I'm going to do a full review and loads of different videos on this as well. Thanks always for watching. If you do have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. This was the unboxing and setup of the new Fitbit Versa Special Edition. From me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.